Alright, in this video I'm going to take a look at using Solidworks to change to dark mode. It's a pretty easy setting change, and what you're really going to notice is the appearance of the toolbars, the property manager. So to do this, if you go to Options and you go to Colors, you can change from light, which is the default, and I'll switch it to light. So this is your default. So I'll go to Options, Colors, and you can go through these variations, but I'm just going to turn it all the way up to gray or dark and then hit OK. And now I'm in dark mode. Some people find this to be easier on the eyes, call it what you want. I haven't gotten much into changing the icon colors, but you probably won't notice a big difference. Okay, they're the yellow instead of the new blue. But that is how you change your background color from the light default to the gray, and you can go anywhere in between. Thanks.